Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram restricted profile problem on Instagram. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner and open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Restricted Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts you have restricted. If you want to remove restriction, simply tap on Unrestrict next to the username. Once you do this, that person will be able to see your activity normally again. Now, if you think someone has restricted you, there are a few signs to check. Open your chat with that person. If your messages are not being seen or you don't see their active status, it could mean you've been restricted. Also, try commenting on their post. If your comment is not visible to others, it may be hidden due to restriction. Next, make sure your app is updated. Go to the Play Store or App Store. Tap on Search icon. In the search bar, search for Instagram Update. You will see an Update Instagram to the latest version. Also, try logging out and logging back in or restarting your phone to fix temporary glitches. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.